Good morning, guys. It's me Ali, and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of Euro, US dollar, and the precious metal gold. Guys, it seems like the dollar is getting weaker on the back of increased number of COVID-19 cases, and at the same time, the US-China trade war is once again getting the hike, and due to this, the investors are feeling uncertain about both of the economies, and they are trying to take their funds out, and they are investing in the precious metal or the safe haven investments. This whole situation is known as risk off sentiment, because during the risk off sentiment, people are not willing to take risk, which means that they will move their investment from the stock market, and they will withdraw their investment from the stock market, and they will start investing in the precious metal gold, the Japanese yen, and the Swiss franc. So I hope the fundamentals are clear. Now let's talk about the technical side of the market. Guys, if you can recall, yesterday we spoke about that we have to keep an eye on this particular area because this is forming the highest high and highest low, and this is very likely to get violated because this was sort of a ascending triangle pattern which actually got violated on the higher side. Anyways, on the higher side, the market has already tested our initial target level of 1.1344, and right now the next target for Euro USD is anticipated to be 1.1383 level. The odds of bearish bias remains high. Like after market test this level, we can expect market to show us a bearish bias. So we need to look for the bullish traders above 1.1340 level, while the bearish entries can be seen somewhere around 1.1385 level. While the bullish bias also remains pretty solid, as you can see on the MACD and the RSI, both are holding in the bullish zone. Guys, on the other hand, if we take a look at the precious metal gold, on the hourly time frame, just like we mentioned earlier, the dollar was getting weaker, which has driven a dramatic surge in the prices of the precious metal gold. And right now, after violating 1791 level, the market tested our second target level of 1806, which it already violated, and now the market is closing candles above 1806 because this particular level is now working as a support level. If you can take a look at the, we have drawn the like regression channel. This regression channel is providing support to the precious metal somewhere around 1806 level, and the closings of candles above this level is suggesting that there are still chances of bullish bias in the market. Looking at this particular candle, this one is bullish engulfing. This bullish engulfing is suggesting that the buyers are still dominant in the market, just like the fact that, guys, if you remember, we spoke about the bullish engulfing here. We spoke about the hammer candle here. Hammer candle was followed by bearish bias, bearish trend, and this hammer candle has triggered the bullish trend. Not only that, this bullish trend was also triggered by three bullish candles, which are, like, in technical terms known as three white soldiers. These three white soldiers has driven that particular movement in the market, like from this level to this level, which is almost 261 pips. So right now, in order for us to look for, the market is likely to find a very nice support somewhere around 1806. So the long entries can be seen above this level. We can go for long above this level. The stop loss needs not to be too big. The target is likely to be again the upper limit of the regression trend line. This is going to be like 110 pips take profit, while the stop loss is going to be around 60 pips. So that can be the potential trade opportunity on the bullish side. While in contrast, on the lower side, if market breaks below this level, then on the lower side, this is what we can expect. On the violation of 1806, we should look for, like, honestly, I won't be looking for a very long dip in the market until and unless we have a very solid fundamental. So I can say that the we should look for a selling trade below 1806, while our target is going to be 60 pips, somewhere around 1268 level. Below this, if market manages to below this level, this is going to be a bonus. But this is something, there is going to be a 50% exponential moving average. This is sort of a previous resistance level, which is now likely to work as a support. Although this is a very nice support level, but do consider this level as a second target level. But you can try to close your initial positions if market breaks below 1806. Your initial target needs to be somewhere around 1797 level, and after you close 1997 level, move your stop loss at the break even price, and you can keep your positions on hold. So guys, that's all for now, and I hope you enjoyed this session. If you did, do click on the like button and do click on the share button, share it with your friends, and you can also give me feedback about the about anything about the session, and if there is anything that you want to know about. So guys, all the best for today. See you guys in the next session.